Wedding trends that need to go. And here's why. Let's be honest for a second. Some wedding trends are not iconic anymore. They're just expensive, overdone, and honestly, a little exhausting. And people are finally starting to say it out loud. From trends that look amazing for 5 seconds on Instagram, to wedding details guests secretly hate. Today we're talking about the wedding trends people say need to go, and exactly why. Because not every trend is timeless, and not every trend is worth your money. If you love weddings, decor, and all things beautiful, this video is not about judging couples. It's about helping you avoid the stuff that feels forced, outdated, or just plain unnecessary. And trust me, some of these are going to surprise you. 1. Copy and paste Pinterest weddings. The first trend people are clearly over is the wedding that looks like it was copied from the same mood board everyone else used. Planners heading into this year are saying couples want more intention, more personality, and less cookie-cutter design. Because people are tired of weddings that are pretty, but don't actually feel personal. 2. Meaningless extras. Next up, all the extra stuff nobody really needs. Proposal boxes, overloaded welcome bags, tiny favors guests leave behind. All those little extras can eat up your budget fast. And a lot of people online are saying the same thing. If it doesn't make the day better, why are we spending money on it? 3. The garter toss. This one? A lot of guests are over it. It's one of those traditions that, for many people now, just feels awkward instead of fun. And recent guest feedback articles back that up. So if you've been wondering whether you have to do it, the internet is basically saying, no, you really do not. 4. Long bar lines and bad guest experience. Now let's talk about the trend that needs to go immediately, making your guests work too hard. If the bar line is 20 minutes long, if there's no easy water station, if the ceremony is one place and the reception is forever away, people remember that. Guests may forget the exact napkin color, but they do not forget being thirsty, confused, or stuck in a line all night. 5. Instagram prop. Trends that age fast. A lot of online wedding discussions keep naming the same details over and over. Neon signs, telephone guest books, glow sticks, disposable cameras, matchbook favors, checkerboard dance floors. Now, if you love them, that's your business. But people are definitely starting to say these trends are feeling very seen it already. 6. Champagne towers for no reason. Let's go there. Champagne towers can look glamorous, but a lot of people are starting to ask, is this actually us? Or are we just doing it because social media told us it looks rich? That's the big shift happening right now. People want meaningful luxury, not random luxury theater. 7. Social media pressure to overspend. This one is bigger than decor. More people are openly saying social media has made weddings and proposals feel financially overwhelming. And recent survey data shows many would rather start marriage debt-free than spend big just to impress people online. That is a huge mindset shift, and honestly, it's refreshing. 8. Trends that look better online than in real life. And finally, some trends are simply feed-friendly, not real-life friendly. Beautiful online, underwhelming in person. That's why the real wedding conversation this year is moving toward intentional design, comfort, and personality. Not just what gets reposted. Okay, be honest. I have to know. Which one of these did you witness at a real wedding? And were you too polite to say anything? Drop it in the comments. No judgment zone. Was it the neon sign? The forgotten champagne tower? The garter toss that made the whole room uncomfortable? The favor nobody took home? Or all the expensive extras? I want the real answers. At the end of the day, the best weddings are not the ones that copy every viral trend. They're the ones that feel true to the couple, beautiful for the guests, and worth remembering for the right reasons. So, yes, some wedding trends need to go. Not because they're ugly, but because they're distracting people from what actually matters. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with someone planning a wedding right now. And if you want more luxury wedding ideas, trend breakdowns, and decor inspiration, you already know this is the place. Because over here, we're not just following wedding trends. And before you go, if you've been enjoying this content and want to see more beautiful decor ideas, wedding inspiration, and DIY party designs just like this, make sure you click that join button right below this video and become an Elegant Creators member. Your support helps us keep creating more high-quality, inspiring content for you, from luxury wedding setups to budget-friendly DIYs and everything in between. Thank you so much for being part